of my brother. So this is the salad, see?
Okay.
So that's the lettuce. I'm gonna break it.
Okay, he's also breaking his.
And when you're done, you can pick another one. See, you break it. Look, kids.
You cut it.
You cut it.
So she's using her hands to cut her own lettuce. You didn't show us what you have. What is this? What's this here?
This is an egg.
Okay, and what's this?
This is cheese.
Okay, so we have lettuce. We have lettuce here. We have eggs. We have cheese. And these are the sauces right here. So we have 3 sauces. You have 3 salad dressing. So these are the dressings right here. We have 3 salad dressings, and they're going to choose each dressing. Okay?
Okay.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, so after putting the lettuce, what else are you going to add to your salad?
Eggs.
Okay, you can show us how you put the egg. Okay. And the boy is putting his. Okay, go ahead. Take as much as you can eat, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so can you put the cheese now? Okay, everyone is taking a little bit of cheese. Okay. Okay, now you can add your sauces. So this is homemade salad by Bouncing Toddlers TV. So which salad dressing did you choose?
I choose the red.
So this right is a California French style dressing, and you can find this at Aldi. Okay, that's what she's putting on her salad. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay, so the boy took the honey mustard dressing. Okay. Good job, guys. Okay, so the boy is putting his own sauce right here. Okay. Okay, that's good. So can you show us how you mix your salad? Okay.
So this is how you mix your salad, kids.
Good job, girl. Is it yummy?
Yes.
Looks yummy. Let me take a look at that. Ooh. It looks yummy. So the boy is mixing his. Wow. It looks delicious. So before making your salad, you need to have all your ingredients ready.
So now we're gonna add the corn and the raisin.
Where's the corn?
The corn is here, see?
Oh wow.
The raisins are here.
Okay, she's taking the corn and she's adding that to her salad. Okay. Now can you add the raisins? That's the raisins over there. Adding that to the salad. Ooh. That looks good.
Yeah.
Take more raisin, let me see. Okay. So now can you mix it? Show us how you mix it. Mix it, girl. Mix it, girl. It looks delicious. Whoa, let me see. Wow, that looks good. So we have lettuce, we have corn, you have raisins, you have eggs, and you have cheese. That's delicious. Now let's see what the boy is doing over here. Wow. Can you add the corn? Let's see. Add the raisins. Okay, let me hold it for you. So he's adding his own raisins there. That looks yummy. Okay, boy, can you show us how you add the corn? Okay, he's adding the corn to his own salad. That looks good. Wow, can you mix your own salad now? Okay, can you mix it? Okay, show us how you mix it. Ooh, that looks good. You want more sauce? That's enough? One more sauce? Okay. You want this sauce right here? And you want the red one, so he wants the California French style. Okay, I'm going to help you with that. Okay, now you are putting the sauce. Ooh, now mix it. Let us see how you mix it. Good job. Wow, that's yummy. Good job. Now eat it. Let us see. Let's see how you eat it. Good. Good job. Wow. Good job. Bon appetit. So say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Thank you so much for watching, guys.
Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to share and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye. God
See you in our
bless you.
next video.
Amen.